Hey there, parents! So your kids have caught the racing bug and want an electric go-kart? Great choice! These awesome machines are taking back gardens by storm. But before you hit that buy button, let's make sure you get the perfect cart that'll keep your little racers both safe and thrilled. First up, let's match your kid with the right power setup. For beginners aged 3 to 6 years, you'll want to look at 12V systems that reach speeds around 2 to 4 miles per hour. These come with simple controls and often include parent remote control options, perfect for those first-time riders. Moving up to intermediate riders aged 6 to 10 years, 24V systems offer speeds up to 8 mph with more features and better acceleration. For your advanced riders aged 10 and up, 36V, 48V systems provide thrilling speeds up to 12 to 15 mph, complete with advanced features and extended range capabilities. Electric go-karts are revolutionizing back garden racing. They're completely emission-free, making them environmentally friendly, and they run whisper quiet, so you won't disturb the neighbors. You won't have to deal with messy fuel or oil changes, and the instant torque provides smooth acceleration that's perfect for young drivers. They're ideal for back garden use, require minimal maintenance, and offer incredible indoor-outdoor versatility. Plus, with adjustable speed controls, you can perfectly match the power to your child's skill level. Let's talk power management. Most electric go-karts offer an average ride time of 1 to 3 hours, with typical charging times ranging from 8 to 12 hours. The batteries usually last 2 to 3 years with proper care. Keep in mind that performance varies with terrain, and weather conditions can affect battery life. Different speed settings will impact your riding duration, so consider investing in spare batteries if you're planning longer sessions. When it comes to safety, there are several features you absolutely need. Your go-kart should include a sturdy roll cage or safety frame, adjustable seatbelts, and a reliable braking system. Look for models with speed governors or limiters, quality rubber tires with good grip, and impact-resistant bumpers. An emergency stop button is crucial, and for younger riders, parental remote control capability adds an extra layer of safety. Safety gear isn't optional, it's a necessity. Your young racer needs a properly fitted helmet and neck support, especially for faster karts. Racing gloves improve grip and control, while closed-toe shoes protect their feet. Eye protection is crucial, and they should always wear long sleeves and pants. For extra protection, consider adding elbow and knee pads to their safety arsenal. Choosing the right riding location is crucial for safety and fun. Level driveways and smooth pavement provide ideal racing surfaces. If you have access to dedicated karting areas, even better. Large empty parking lots offer great practice space, and some families create backyard tracks if space permits. Indoor spaces can work too, provided there's proper ventilation. Just remember to avoid public roads and steep inclines. These are absolute no-go zones. Keeping your electric go-kart in top shape is surprisingly simple. Make regular tire pressure checks part of your routine, along with basic battery maintenance and brake inspections. Keep an eye on steering alignment, and always keep the kart clean and dry. Store it in a covered area to protect it from the elements, and regularly check all bolts and connections to ensure everything's tight and secure. Before that exciting first ride, proper setup is essential. Create a designated riding area with clear boundaries and establish firm safety rules. Practice emergency procedures until they become second nature. Teach basic maintenance habits early on and always start with the lowest speed setting. Remember, supervision is crucial during those initial rides as your young driver builds confidence and skill. Parents often ask about weather resistance. Yes, most karts can handle light rain. Parts are generally replaceable, but always respect the weight limits. Indoor use is possible with proper precautions. If you're considering multiple riders, look for models with adjustable seats. Starting right is crucial for long-term success. Begin with straight-line driving to build confidence, then focus on smooth stopping techniques. Gentle turning comes next, followed by gradually increasing speed as skills improve. Make sure they master reverse driving and understand proper battery management. Regular safety checks should become second nature. Electric go-karts are an incredible way to introduce your kids to the world of motorsports. They're safe, environmentally friendly, and most importantly, they're an absolute blast. Remember, starting with the right size and power level is key to building confidence and skills. Ready to get your young racer started? Head over to RiiRoo.com. They've got an amazing selection of electric go-karts for every age and skill level. Their range includes all the safety features we've discussed. Plus, their expert team can help you choose the perfect model for your future champion. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more family vehicle guides.